the building.
Oh, hey, I know when you have brow zone to say.
Tell me a dancer.
Sir, since when?
Oh, since the beginning of days.
Hey,
I've been dancing since.
Sir, the man about DWP for no home.
Me dance team on my own.
On your own.
Yeah.
I love that. I love that.
End time dancer.
Onua, no.
Yeah.
Ah! Thank you, Onua FM. I'm so excited. Say me what I say. Me niaji be brave. I'm sorry to my late traffic.
When is Muntem?
I know. Not my dark cra. Yes.
You needed your beauty sleep.
I needed my beauty sleep. I'm here. I'm here for you. I'm here for you, baby.
And then I go. So what is happening?
Good. I don't know. Net was here. Yeah, idea a long time ago. Naka was me back a long time ago. But on frame it. But me now mama on frame it.
You are a busy person. Why are busy with concern? I have with me in the studio Charlie Dior. My introduction, but I have with me Charlie Dior.
Yes.
People call him the fashion critic.
Yes.
But no number trade into a fashion critic.
Hey.
Where you got his licenses from?
Hey.
Charlie, it's good to see you once again.
Good to be here. Good to see you. Yes. Thank you. Hey, wonderful.
Also, sir, you have a beautiful skin.
Everybody tells me that. So, any skin products be signing me. I'm available. Skin it. You know, yes. Thank you. I appreciate it.
How was your year been? Your year?
So far, the year 2024, no. Are you okay? I'm glad. Are you okay in the sense, say, I have my health.
Okay.
You know what I mean? I have my health. I'm healthy. You know, me to say, you know, like other people. So I'm grateful for that. And, you know, if you have your health, you have everything. And, you know, 2024, I have my health. I thank God. You know, and that's all that matters. My family is good. And, you know, it's all good. Because 2 years ago, you know, it wasn't that great with my family. There was a lot of death happening in my family. Oh yeah. I'm glad that this year so far it's been good.
Been stable.
It has been stable. The health and everybody's well, and so I thank God for that. Yeah.
Oh, I thank God for your family because and easy to say family because
oh yes.
There's black in the family.
Yes. Say death comes in threes. So the past couple of years, I lost my very, very best friend. He was my everything, Dr. Yevu, Dr. Derek Yevu, or no, my cousin.
Oh,
Ghana. He was a medical doctor and he passed away. And then a few months later, Nipa Pansuwuye, which is my uncle. And then on my father's side, my other uncle went to that uncle's funeral.
3 times.
So it was like insane. We kept like burying everybody for the past a few years. And you know, this year I'm just glad that everybody's okay. The family's healthy. I'm healthy. That's all that matters, honestly, yo. You have to pray for health. You have to pray for health because sikane bani bibia bana uni apomudia. Then you know. Obi netonyum Obapa Christi or say, you know, Sikawa ona sewuya dia evere na wenye nije akwento bana sewuya dia evere na wetumi akọ. Well, you know, you have to have. Yes, I'm telling you.
Also, you need to go into singing.
I used to sing. I used to sing at church.
Church.
Sorry, no. Shout out to BBT.
Then sorry.
The people in the church made me.
What did they do?
People. I've said this in several interviews. Most of the traumas that I've had in my life, most of, you know, the betrayal came from the church, the people in the church. Did the most concern. The most backbiting. The most betrayal. So most of the betrayal that I had in my life I had it from the church. So I had to stay away from the church to gain my mental health back. Isn't that crazy?
No,
because the church is supposed to be the place where you go.
There's peace. There should be peace.
There should be peace, but not all church are like that.
Because Patricia came on the show and she said the same thing.
I'm telling you.
Because it's too much.
Hey, now sometimes so quite sorry be a baby. Or no cry no better no. It's separated from everybody else.
With you?
With a lot of people. Hey, Oba better na in church cry na. If I say or baby I could find you saying about you don't sit in the main congregation. They separate you. You know,
it's believed that's how you sinner because you worry when I walk
exactly. Hey, na erade didie kwa na erade didie bana obi asori na nkwa wo se undi erade didie na, then everybody is looking at you like we di bonity no person di erade didie no. There's a lot of, you know, those kind of things that happen in the church, and it drives a lot of people away from the church. A few days ago I was talking to my PA and a friend, and I'm saying pa sorry bin call, and I'm someone kwa sorry, and I'm say why, and I'm say oh sorry na, hey, they don't feel comfortable. So it's sad. So we need to start looking at these kind of things, because the church is supposed to be a place where we all go, you know,
to seek
peace and be one. And there shouldn't be any judgment in church. But I think the church more people are judgmental. Even with what I do as a fashion critique, you know, some people come on my page and insult me and all of those things. You click on their page, the first thing you see is in God we trust. I love God. Really?
And you're not doing godly things.
You are not. You are not. You know, it's quite sad. It's quite sad. Because I used to love church. I sing at church. I used to be a Sunday school teacher.
Into you know. Oh no, you're Sunday school
teacher.
Yeah,
let me check Kolanasa. Mama ye ni na ye yinya mi ye. Hallelujah. Hey, me check Kolanasa. Yes. And people that watch me, they all know. Yes.
Into you know, not just say. Did they look for you? Did they look for you?
Of course. Up to now, the pastor still calls me. The pastor still calls me like, Charge, come back to church, come back to church, come back to church. Yeah. I see my Sunday school in Kolano. Nasiko Baku inviting me to her wedding. And I'm saying, really? You're getting married? I used to teach you, you know, all these things at church. Yeah. I used to be very involved.
I was sorry.
What? Very, very much involved.
No. And I'm judge with your appearance.
Me say, it was a lot.
But this same church people, most thing I may want share. Like your parents, if you come, so they didn't look at you like that.
No, I felt it every time I walked in the church. I felt it, you know.
Did it affect your family?
My anxiety, my family, they were like go back to, you know, they were always like go back. My sister is still very much involved in the church. My big sister, or very prayerful. I think her prayers is what's keeping the family right now, because she's like very prayerful one in the family and all of that. But I'll go back.
But not the same church.
I'm still finding a church, and I think that not every church is for everybody. You have to find it. You have to find your home. I have been visiting other church to see, say, where can I fit? You know, I'm finding it. Sunday week, I'm looking for a church. Sorry, I invited me. Remember, I'm looking for a church to go to see. Say, okay, maybe this is my place. This is my home.
Listen, you're not changing yourself for the church. You want them to accept you for who you are.
Exactly, and I think that should go to everybody. You shouldn't change your who you are for anybody. I think everybody around you should adjust to you. You shouldn't change for anybody. Uko baby na, you are not welcome. Go somewhere else. Go where you are appreciated. You know, go where you are loved. Into uko baby na, you know, no, I'm not doing that. I'll go where I am loved. Yes. And that should go with anything that you do in life. And
even in relationships,
sometimes even your own blood family, it's can be you know, can bring you trauma. Leave. I'm telling you, and go somewhere where you are appreciated.
Your peace of mind.
Everyone will say, what glow to say me glow no.
Yeah,
you feel better, you look better.
To say they are not bothered.
No.
Maybe how?
No. And things used to bother me, but not anymore, because it comes with experience. It comes with growth. The more you are experiencing life, now into the things that used to bother me before doesn't bother me now. Like some of the name callings doesn't bother me now, because Matia Bre, you know, I grew up in Fadama. Me a Fadama guy.
Oh.
I'm in Fadama. You know, I've heard all of these things that these people are saying online about me. I've heard it before.
It's new.
No. Come up with something else. Because Matiabre, what else you got? What's your say?
I say you've built yourself in these things.
Yes.
Yes. And
No, I've heard it all before. Then I'll be can.
First time I would say, and how did you feel about it?
Like names like what?
Names like
Kojo Besia. Oba Berima.
Yeah.
I think those things now are my superpowers.
Okay.
Ufremi Oba Berima. Kojo Besia. What does it mean? It means me a bema, I'm acting like a girl. It's my superpower. I love it. I wouldn't change it. If I come back again, I want to be like this again. Because I feel like that's my superpower. I have tapped into the masculinity and the femininity. Me what two, no?
Oh, both.
I have both. I can sympathize with the guy. I can sympathize with the girl. What's that say?
It makes you who you are.
It makes me the beautiful Charlie Dior. It's my superpower. I will not change it. I love it.
Like in 100 years, now baby,
I love it. I love this.
You want the same personality?
I love this same personality. It has opened doors for me. It has made me who I am. You know, like I love it. I feel God doesn't make any mistake. What I say, the God that we worship.
God don't make mistakes, but fashion designers they make mistakes.
No, not mistake.
Nah.
Okay, so you're trying to be shady. Okay, so this
no,
is
I'm not. Me
okay.
too.
Okay, T. What ka fashion?
If you say near be
yes.
Into me be say who the other fashion designers in here center the near yo. See
no,
if you're sorry
so my job as a fashion critique is not to tell you say why you mistake.
Okay.
My job as a fashion critique, is to say, Felicia, this is how you can take this look at why is here to the next level. I'm trying to help. All we are doing is having a conversation about fashion, and I'm trying to help you go to the next level with what you have. It is not necessarily a mistake because with fashion, it's not about getting it right, because what I will like, the next person might
not like it.
Yeah, so we are just trying to have a conversation of how to take that look to the next level.
I get it, but
yes.
Don't you think sometimes you are a bit harsh?
Can you tell me an example of what I've said that is harsh? Because the entire Mibisa say, I can sit there and say anything about anybody and somebody will be offended.
Okay.
Because anybody can be offended about anything. Osei, Felicia, I said glasses now was Shannon. It's too small for your face. You might get offended. Hey, I don't know. Say glasses now is too small for my face. Somebody will be like, oh, you know what? You're right. I think say my dimension of my face is I need a little bigger glasses. Anybody can be offended. So my show, if you are easily offended, it's not for you. If you are easily offended, it's not for you. It's to entertain, number one. That's why I throw shade. And it's to educate. What I say, because I may offend nature, me show, because I can say anything at all and somebody will be mad.
I get it, but I also feel there are a lot of ways that you can address certain things, still be funny, and not offend anybody.
So what have I said? Have you been offended with what I've said before?
Me?
Yes.
Me said me paya kano. Me who first time no. Me who first time me say okay.
You saw me at 233.
Yeah.
Akwabwa. Yes. Akwabwa show no.
So okay. So this is Charlie.
Yes.
He's actually a nice person.
Yes. I'm a loving person.
Open fans, Papa.
Really?
Oh,
okay. Sorry.
Then I go so.
Go ahead.
Michelle, when I'm saying, this is a nice person. Inti Adena, there are a lot of times you can sit behind. They say what are nice. Miss Mega say no. Oh, you're brown. A compliment so nice, but then kebi anka darker shade and can pop it out your skin color.
Yes.
It can be like that.
Yes.
Why do you have to be shady like shady? When him there. Upon all the fashion critics, VGMA TGMA 2024. The was Likesi.
Really?
Hold on.
Okay.
I know you and Wesley Likesi say, "Moye nice."
Yes.
Moye super.
That's my guy.
Exactly.
Yes.
Until when I watched your comment about what he wore,
yes,
I was hurt.
Come on.
My mainland.
Okay.
I was hurt because I would be biased. I would choose friendship over being like that blunt. And our friend and son, I walk and say,
"Man, friend, and we still,
how is your relationship afterwards?"
We still haven't spoken about it. It's a little weird because we are in the same group chat, and we haven't spoken about it. But I think Cassie understands it.
Have you tried asking him his opinion about what you did?
No, I haven't asked him about it. But this is from the outside looking in.
Yeah.
Cassie understands the fashion world and the fashion business and the entertainment industry. Cassie knew, say, Oko VGM is not, TGM is not, I don't share, he knew people were going to talk about him. He knew. He has to know. From the lace front wig, share, to the 3D, he wants to be talked about. Oko no Bianca wants a manka, the goal hasn't been achieved. He wants to be talked about.
You were helping him achieve his goal.
Not necessarily.
Okay.
I think what I said about Kessie Cry, I went easy on him.
Okay, you could have gone harder.
I could have even gone harder. But I can still love Kessie and critique him. Those two things can exist. I can love him and tell him the truth. Say I didn't necessarily feel
telling a friend truth like you and him is different from telling a friend the truth in public. Okay?
But once I sit on that chair, I'm the fashion critic. I'm not a friend anymore. Because there's two things. I'm doing my job. As my what you say.
Like a friend.
Yeah, not a friend, but I'm sure people in the entertainment industry are not, all of that. But they love me when I'm praising them. Okay, so several times we have bought Wesikesi's outfit. He's always on the best dress list. We've bought it. See, and only there when you're okay. But once I've burned it, it's a problem. That is also not a friend.
Oh no, I am saying personally.
Cool. We talk. I think so.
Touch the mic a little. Yeah.
I think so. We talk. We do talk, and yes, I think. And I feel like, say, if there was an issue, Uncle Obama, yeah. But I don't think it's because it's not personal. I'm not personally attacking him. I love him. When Kessie first started, I was one of the people in the corner championing him. Say, go for it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. It's all to help the brand. It's all it's all to help him to the next level. Yes.
Nothing personal.
Nothing personal at all.
Your time, Nilko, but I want you to give me your 5 best male morning dressing to you.
Male and then female.
Yeah.
Okay, so the male, we have to add Kessie away. He has done an amazing job with building his brand.
So you're starting from 5 to 1 now?
Yes.
So Kessie is 5?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't know. I don't want to do it in order, but okay, we can say Kessie. No, honestly, he's doing an amazing job with his style, because I've known him for a long time. And I can see the growth in his style. Beautiful. I love him. He also is the one that is not scared of trying new things. Even though we burned the VGMA, it was a moment. We will remember that outfit, 5 years to come, 10 years to come. So definitely Kessie is one. Ochiame Kwame. Oh my gosh, this man is not afraid to rock beautiful, beautiful colors and textures and all of that. Ochiame Kwame is one. Osibo. The Zara man has a style. Nobody else in Ghana dresses like that man. Whether it's good or bad, it's a moment. What you say? I'll add Osibo to it. Who else? KKD. KKD is amazing, iconic. You guys, I'm telling you, such a gentleman. He's also a very nice man. I like him, promise. Especially when he first came on the scene. He had a signature look. So I like him, promise. And I will add Sarkodie. Sarkodie is good. Sarkodie is very good with the name brands and signature looks with the tuxedos and all of that. Or set more of tuxedos now. With
a cigar.
So with a cigar, it's a moment. It's a moment in fashion.
And
Mbano, we cannot talk about fashion without Nana Akua-Addo.
Okay.
Point blank in Ghana, we cannot talk about fashion in Ghana without her. So she's number 1 for me. I'll add Belamundi to the list. I love me some Belamundi. Jackie Apia is really good. Nanama, sometimes it's a hit or miss for me. I love her. But me didn't be listener home. Who else? That's 3. Seligali. Yeah. I'm telling you, yes, she's one of the girls. Seligali is one of the girls. I love her. And then Zinel is good. Zinel is amazing as well. And see, we have some fashion girls in the country. No, because I'm the critique. I've never counted myself as one of the best dressers. I'm the coach. The coach doesn't play. The coach doesn't play on the field. The coach sits on the sidelines and observe, and teaches the girls how to do it. I can dress people down. I can dress you. I can style you. I don't necessarily have to be on the field. Okay. So people come on my page expecting certain looks and all of that. I'm the coach, baby. I'm the teacher. The teacher teaches people to be doctors and lawyers and all of that. Okay. So that's how it works.
That's how it works.
Yes.
And that's on purr.
The purr.
It was so lovely talking to Charlie Dior.
Oh, this was beautiful. This was short and sweet, just like the way I like it. As a condensed milk. No?
Hey, pressure. Thank you for passing through.
Yes,
I enjoyed it. 1 month at a time. No,
it's okay. My friend loves you, by the way. Your friend Princess Opewasempa.
Princess,
shout out to Princess Obori. Oh yeah, makeup artist into Moon reach out to on beating my face, mama.
On beating my face, mama. I'm signing out with the Felicia. Say, find your senior class prefect.
Onua 95.1 FM. 95.1 FM. Yeah,